Welcome to our RAM Showdown. Today, we're diving into the world of laptop memory, comparing the Crucial 32GB DDR4 RAM kit with the Corsair 32GB DDR5 RAM. Both of these high-capacity kits promise to enhance your computing experience, but they cater to different generations of technology. In this video, we'll break down their specifications, performance metrics, and compatibility to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The Crucial RAM operates on the DDR4 standard, which has been the backbone of laptop memory for years, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. In contrast, the Corsair RAM utilizes the latest DDR5 technology, promising higher speeds and improved efficiency. However, this also means that DDR5 requires newer motherboards, limiting its compatibility with older systems. Understanding these differences is crucial for making the right choice for your laptop upgrade. When it comes to speed, the Corsair DDR5 RAM boasts an impressive 5,600 MHz, significantly outpacing the Crucial DDR4's 3,200 MHz. However, it's important to note that the Corsair RAM has a higher CAS latency of CL48 compared to the Crucial's CL22. This means while the DDR5 can handle more data at once, the DDR4 may respond faster in certain applications. This trade-off can impact performance depending on your specific use case, whether it be gaming, content creation, or everyday tasks. The Crucial RAM comes as a dual-channel kit with two 16GB modules, allowing for immediate dual-channel performance, which can enhance speed and responsiveness. On the other hand, the Corsair RAM is a single 32GB module. While this offers flexibility for future upgrades, it means that to achieve dual-channel performance, a second module would need to be purchased. This difference in configuration can affect overall system performance and upgrade paths. In conclusion, both the Crucial DDR4 and Corsair's DDR5 RAM offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for compatibility and reliability, the Crucial RAM is a solid choice. However, if you're aiming for cutting-edge performance and future-proofing, the Corsair DDR5 is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.